नमस्कार, मैं हूं अश्वनी और इस वक्त मेरे साथ मैम हैं और हम लोग स्कूल में हैं, रुद्रा सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल। बहुत ही प्यारा स्कूल है और मैम पहले से ही हमारे वीडियो में मतलब हमारे फेसबुक पर एक वीडियो मैम का है। मैम आपने बड़ा प्यारा क्वेश्चन किया था बच्चों से और काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोगों ने पसंद भी किया, तो हम चाहेंगे कि आज बच्चों से फिर से आप ही क्वेश्चन करिए। वैसे कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाती हैं आप?
बायोलॉजी एंड केमिस्ट्री।
हाँ, तो अभी आज बच्चों से कौन सा किस टॉपिक पे करेंगी या फिर कौन सा सब्जेक्ट से करेंगी?
बायोलॉजी सेल, चैप्टर सेल।
हाँ, चैप्टर भी बता दिया भाई। अब ये क्लास 9th के बच्चे हैं?
हाँ, क्लास 9th के।
आपका क्या नाम है?
माय नेम इज़ रूबी दुबे।
तो आप पढ़ाती हैं बायोलॉजी
यस
और केमिस्ट्री भी?
यस।
अच्छा, पढ़ती हैं?
हाँ, अभी पढ़ रही हूँ प्रेजेंट में।
कौन से क्लास में?
अभी एट प्रेजेंट डीएलएड कर रहा है।
डिलेट का वाला हो? चलिए कोई बात नहीं, मैम ये लीजिए।
ओके। दीपक स्टैंड अप। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज सेल?
Cell is a structural and functional unit of life.
Very good. Cell is a structure and functional unit of life. Take your seat. Now, yes, Anamika, you stand up. Name some cell organelles.
First of all, nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, ribosomes, or vacuole.
Okay.
Or
Take your seat.
many others.
You stand up, Sakshi. What is the function of nucleus?
Nucleus, it provide
Okay. Now you. What is the function of nucleus?
Ma'am, it control the cell.
Okay. It controls the function of cell. Take your seat. Yes, you stand up, Sakshi. Now, what is the function of mitochondria?
Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. It is help to the formation of energy. It have their own ribosomes and DNA. It is help to making a protein.
Very good. Take your seat. Now, yes, Deepraj, you stand up. What is the function of ribosome?
राइबोसोम इज एनर्जी प्रोवाइड ऑफ द सेल।
Energy. और function और क्या हो सकते हैं? Any other?
Protein
Yes,
synthesis.
very good. Protein synthesis. Okay, Rudra, now you stand up. Now you just tell me one thing. Types of cells.
There are two types of cells, plant cell and animal cell.
What is difference between plant cell and animal cell?
Plant cell has the vacuoles and the animal cell has no vacuoles.
Okay.
It's smaller in size, and plant cell has cell membrane, cell wall, and animal cell have no cell wall.
Okay, take your seat. You stand up, Manish. What is the function of cell wall in the plant cell?
To protect the plant from insects and moisture or other abiotic resistance.
Very good. Now you just take your seat. Khushbu, stand up. Now you just give me two function of plant cell.
plant cell is a double membrane of cell wall, and cell wall is lies out cell and present in cellulose.
Okay, take your seat. Yes. Now Shivam, you stand up. Yes, give me at least three difference between plant cell and animal cell.
In plant cell have a cell wall, while in animal cell have no cell wall.
Okay. Second one.
In plant cell have a vacuole, and while in animal cell have not vacuole.
Okay.
And third, animal cell form a body can move, and plant cell is just stationary.
Okay, take your seat. You stand up, Rudransh. What is the function of plastid in plant cell?
Ma'am, plastid in
Plant cell.
ma'am color provide.
Okay, for color providing, na? Anyone can tell me about types of plastid? Okay, very good. You just stand up. Just
Chromoplast,
take it.
chromoplast, leucoplast और chloroplast.
Okay, and what is function of chloroplast?
Chloroplast found in leaves for photosynthesis.
Okay, chromoplast
It provide colors to fruit and flowers.
and leucoplast.
It colorless plastic, mainly used for storage.
Very good. Okay, now you just take your seat. Riya, you just stand up. Now, what is the function of Golgi body in plant cell or animal cell?
Golgi body.
Okay, which membrane is called selectively permeable membrane?
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane. Why we are calling it selectively permeable membrane?
Because it protects cell from in animal and plant.
Okay. You just take your seat. Nancy, stand up. Why we are calling cell membrane as a selectively permeable membrane?
Because they are help in
Entering, na?
entering blood.
Very few, na? Okay, just take your seat. Anyone else? Okay, Sakshi, come. Why we are calling cell membrane as a selectively permeable membrane?
We can call the cell wall is the selectively permeable membrane because it only allowed the few things can enter and exit outside of the cell.
Very good. Now take your seat. Okay.